Getting started with Google Workspace.
Google Workspace is a suite of cloud-based productivity tools designed for collaboration. Set up your team by creating Google accounts for each member. Familiarize everyone with core apps like Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Chat. All files are stored online, allowing anyone on the team to access and edit documents from anywhere, ensuring everyone is always working from the latest version.
Collaborating in real time with Google Docs and Sheets.
Create or open a document in Google Docs or Google Sheets and click the Share button to invite team members by email. Multiple people can edit the same file simultaneously, seeing changes as they happen. Use comments, suggesting mode, and assignment features to delegate tasks, leave feedback, and keep communication clear without needing separate emails.
Organizing projects with Google Drive and shared drives.
Store all project files in Google Drive or a shared drive for easy team access. Organize documents in folders, set permissions to control who can view, comment, or edit, and use Drive Search to quickly locate files. Shared drives keep files owned by the team, not individuals, ensuring nothing gets lost if someone leaves the project.
Streamlining communication with Google Chat and Meet.
Google Chat allows you to create group conversations for quick messaging, while Google Meet supports secure video meetings. Share project updates, brainstorm in real time, or hold virtual stand-ups. Integrate Google Chat directly with Docs, Sheets, and Drive for seamless access to your collaboration tools during conversations.
Maximizing productivity with Google Calendar and Tasks.
Google Calendar lets you schedule meetings, set deadlines, and send reminders to the entire team. Use calendar events to share agendas and attach relevant files. Track individual or group assignments with Google Tasks, easily linking them to emails or calendar dates. This ensures everyone stays aligned and aware of project milestones.